The market theme Nifty bulls walk a tightrope as crude surges. Dalal Street enters Tuesday with a mixed setup. Strong FII buying and earnings optimism provide support, but Brent crude's surge above $82 could restrict the upside. The three positive catalysts. 1. FII's return as strong buyers. 2. Fed rate hike fears ease. Weak U.S. employment data has reduced expectations of an imminent Federal Reserve rate hike, providing a supportive backdrop for emerging markets. 3. Earnings keep stock-specific momentum alive. The reality check Nifty continues to hesitate near crucial resistance. Technically, the repeated inability to sustain above 24,774 suggests that bulls are yet to establish complete control. The big risk Brent crude jumped as Iran tempered expectations of an early reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. For all importing India, sustained crude above $85 could pressure inflation, the rupee, corporate margins and interest rate expectations. Crude oil update. Our call of the day stock pickers take center stage. Market trend dashboard. Global cues, negative. FII activity, minus 1,974.80 crores. DII activity, plus 1,290.30 crores. Overall sentiment, negative. Market breadth, negative. Nifty's technical setup, massive consolidation. Broad Fano zone, 23,500 to 25,500. USD INR futures, 27th August, 95 rupees and 35 paise. Volatility and derivatives. India VIX, 12.24, plus 0.66%. Nifty PCR, 25th August, 1.12. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th August, 0.86. FI Nifty PCR, 25th August, 0.53. Midcap Nifty, 25th August, PCR 1.03. Nifty outlook buy selectively, avoid broad market bets and leveraged long positions. The Gyan mantra is simple, focus on earnings-backed stocks, avoid chasing opening spikes and turn aggressively bullish only above Nifty 24,774. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,584. Support, 24,351. Resistance, 24,774. Range, 24,450 to 24,700. Bias, neutral. 21 DMA, 24,264. 50 DMA, 24,004. 200 DMA, 24,759. Sensex, CMP 78,542. Support, 77,701. Resistance, 79,367. Range, 78,000 to 78,900. Bias, neutral. 21 DMA, 77,643. 50 DMA, 76,753. 200 DMA, 79,992. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,687. Support, 56,700. Resistance, 58,706. Range, 57,100 to 58,000. Bias, neutral. 21 DMA, 57,548. 50 DMA, 57,044. 200 DMA, 57,480. Stock market news. Yesterday's trading session was an utterly listless and uninspiring, marked by hesitant buying and razor-thin participation. Titan hit a record high following strong Q1 earnings. Hero MotoCorp and Oil India outperformed on encouraging results. Paytm surged nearly 10% following a brokerage upgrade. PFC slumped over 8% amid concerns surrounding future growth. BSE will replace Wipro in the Nifty 50 from 30th September, a significant catalyst for passive inflows. Sectors likely to outperform. 1. Realty vertical bar Monday's strong sectoral momentum and easing global rate concerns favor DLF, Godrej Properties and select developers. 2. Upstream oil and gas vertical bar firm crude prices could support realizations for Oil India. Sectors likely to underperform. 1. Aviation, paints and tires vertical bar Brent above $86 could revive margin concerns across crude-sensitive sectors. 2. All marketing companies. Stocks to watch. Positive bias. BSE, Nifty 50 inclusion from 30th September could trigger passive institutional inflows. Titan, Q1 PAT surged 63%, the stock hit a record high. Hero MotoCorp, strong earnings and expansion commentary supported a 2.4% gain. Oil India, robust Q1 profit and firm crude prices remain key catalysts. Paytm, surged nearly 10% following a brokerage upgrade. Azad Engineering, revenue grew 26%, with management retaining its 25% plus growth guidance. Godrej Properties, realty sector strength and robust booking visibility support momentum. Negative bias. PFC slumped over 8% as flat operational performance and growth concerns disappointed investors. Ola Electric fell over 4% as the 45% revenue contraction overshadowed its narrower loss. Airlines, paints and tire stocks, rising crude prices could trigger fresh selling pressure. Q1 FY27 earnings to trickle in Tuesday, 11th August 2026. MRF. Pi Industries. Zydus Life Sciences. Info Edge India. Manappuram Finance. Rail Vikas Nigam. NBCC India. Bata India. Balrampur Chini Mills. Kalpatru Projects International. Sandhar Technologies.